Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of home decor, the minimalist approach has gained substantial popularity for its focus on simplicity and functionality. However, a common misconception about minimalism is that it often results in cold, impersonal spaces. The concept of cozy minimalism shatters this myth by blending simplicity with warmth, creating environments that are both serene and inviting. Achieving a cozy minimalist home decor involves careful curation and thoughtful design choices that emphasize comfort without sacrificing the elegance of minimalism. Cozy minimalism is about balance. It strips away the unnecessary clutter, focusing on essential elements that add value to the space, both functionally and aesthetically. The goal is to create a home that feels open and spacious yet intimate and comfortable. This approach emphasizes quality over quantity, where each piece has a purpose and contributes to the overall ambience. A fundamental aspect of cozy minimalist decor is the use of a neutral color palette. Whites, creams, beiges, and soft grays form the foundation, creating a calm and airy backdrop. To avoid the space from feeling sterile, incorporate warm undertones through natural materials like wood, wool, and linen. These textures add depth and tactile comfort, making the space feel more inviting. In cozy minimalist decor, furniture plays a crucial role. Opt for pieces that are functional yet stylish, with clean lines and simple silhouettes. Multifunctional furniture can be particularly beneficial in maintaining a clutter-free environment. For example, a sleek coffee table with built-in storage or a sofa that doubles as a guest bed can maximize utility without compromising on design. When selecting furniture, prioritize comfort. A well-designed minimalist space can still include a plush, inviting sofa, or a comfy reading chair. The key is to choose pieces that align with the minimalist aesthetic while providing a high level of comfort and usability. Soft furnishings such as rugs, cushions, and throws can introduce warmth and texture. A large area rug can ground a living space, providing a soft surface underfoot and delineating different areas within an open-plan layout. Throws and cushions in various fabrics and patterns can add visual interest and comfort. Opt for high-quality, natural materials like cotton, linen, and wool to enhance the tactile experience. These elements can be easily swapped out to refresh the space with the changing seasons, keeping the decor dynamic yet cohesive. Lighting is a powerful tool in creating a cozy atmosphere. Natural light is ideal, so maximize it with large windows, light curtains, and strategically placed mirrors that reflect daylight throughout the space. In the absence of ample natural light, a well-thought-out artificial lighting plan is essential. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm, layered effect. Soft, warm-toned light bulbs are preferable to harsh, cool-toned ones. Use floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to create pockets of light, enhancing the cozy feel. Dimmer switches can also help adjust the lighting according to the time of day and mood. While minimalism often emphasizes a less is more approach, personal touches are what make a space truly cozy and unique. Incorporate meaningful objects that tell a story or evoke fond memories. This could be a piece of art, a handcrafted vase, or a collection of favorite books. These items should be displayed thoughtfully to avoid clutter, perhaps on a single shelf or in a designated area. Art can also play a significant role in cozy minimalist decor. Opt for pieces that resonate with you, whether it's a simple black and white photograph, a minimalist painting, or a sculpture. The key is to choose art that complements the neutral palette and adds a personal dimension to the space. Bringing nature indoors is another effective way to add warmth and vitality to a minimalist home. Houseplants introduce a touch of greenery and life, enhancing the aesthetic and improving air quality. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive indoors, such as succulents, snake plants, or peace lilies. Natural elements like stones, branches, or dried flowers can also be incorporated into the decor. These elements bring an organic, earthy feel that complements the simplicity of minimalist design while adding texture and visual interest. Cozy minimalist home decor strikes a delicate balance between simplicity and warmth. By focusing on a neutral color palette, incorporating natural textures, selecting functional yet comfortable furniture, and adding thoughtful personal touches, it is possible to create a home that feels both serene and inviting. The key is to curate carefully, choosing elements that add value and contribute to a harmonious, cozy environment. Through mindful design, cozy minimalism transforms a simple space into a sanctuary of comfort and tranquility. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!